We're going to be replacing this old worn out vinyl on this standard rollout awning. First step, we're going to flick the awning ratchet and we're going to roll it out just a touch. Now for the fun part, let's cut this awning vinyl. Now we're going to be taking all the tension off the barrel and we're going to be holding the barrel to make sure that it doesn't take off. And we just have to flip the awning ratchet and let it unwind in our hand. So now we're going to be unscrewing the awning barrel from the awning arm. Now it's time for us to lift the awning barrel off. I'm going to be unrolling this all the way out and removing the old vinyl. Remove the screws securing both end caps. We're going to be removing the 2 screws in the awning barrel and then we can slide the vinyl out completely. If you find that your vinyl isn't sliding freely, feel free to get a knife and cut it the whole way along so it loosens up around the barrel. Now that we've cut the vinyl, just need to grab a marker and draw an arrow pointing down to where the valance is going to be sliding out from the barrel on the underside of the barrel so you won't be able to see it. Remove the 2 screws holding the vinyl onto the caravan. Now that the 2 screws are undone, you can remove the vinyl freely out of the sail track. Here we have our new heavy duty awning vinyl and we're just going to flip it, roll it out a little bit and prepare it to slide into our awning barrel. Slide the sewn in spline on the awning vinyl into the pre-marked valance groove. Grab your spare spline, which will be rolled up inside your awning vinyl. You're going to pull it all the way out. And we're going to cut the end on an angle to make it easier to feed through the groove, as well as spraying silicone spray along the groove so it slides in nice and easy. It may be a little bit tricky to get it over the hem and especially the stitches, so if you just give it a bit of a twist, she'll slide through. We're just going to cut both splines on both ends and make sure it's flush with the awning barrel. Grab the pull down strap and feed it into the last spare groove. feed that along. Now we're going to roll the barrel with the awning vinyl up. Grab your spring, feed it in the awning barrel. We're going to make sure that our groove here lines up. Clip it on the ends, and our drill holes should also line up. Grab your spring on the ratchet side. We're going to feed it into the barrel. And again, we're going to try and line these holes up. Make sure your ratchet's flicked open, and to protect the powder coating in your end cap, grab yourself a piece of cloth or spare piece of vinyl. Grab yourself vice grips, tension it down, and then we're going to spin it the same way as our awning vinyl, 8 to 10 times. We're going to tension the non-ratchet side, and we're going to use this locking pin to put it in the hole so it holds the tension after we've wound it 8 to 10 times. You might need an extra hand with this one, but it is fairly simple. We're going to grab our awning barrel and line our rope up with the sail track and then slide it all the way along. Now we're going to take the locking pin off, and you just want to hold the awning barrel, rotate it a little bit, just enough to take the tension off the pin, and slide the pin out. And she's sweet. Now we're going to roll the awning out a couple of times. By doing this, the awning vinyl will find its groove and it will straighten itself out. Once this is done, we're going to climb back at the top, and we're going to pop the screw through the sail track to hold it in place. And that's it, we're all done.